Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear Honeycam Cache. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Settings application. Now scroll down your screen and go to Apps option. Here tap on Manage Apps. Now in the search bar, type in Honeycam. Now click on the storage option. Here you can see an eraser icon in the bottom section of your screen. Tap on it. Click on Clear Cache option. Then tap on OK button. So that is how you can clear Honeycam Cache. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.